If one of the four things are present, all four things are present. So look, the short of it, how do you know you're in the cycle, the negative system between a couple? There's four primary things. One is you yourself have got hurt inside. And then when you're hurt inside, even if you're not consciously aware you're hurt inside, you react/protest.
Right.
So just think of it as that's two different people inside of you. There's a hurt one when they're not loved, and then there is a reactor protester.
And what are they protesting?
Well, they're protesting not getting the flavor of love they want.
Yeah.
Right? From their partner. And there's lots of different ways to protest. There's blaming, criticizing, minimizing, advice giving, shutting down, dissociating, placating, making jokes. I'm hurting because there's the flavor of love I'm not getting. And then I'm reacting or protesting. And there's a whole array of reacting and protesting. But my reaction and protest hurts the other person. Because the way I react and protest now sent a message, regardless of what my intention was when I reacted and protest. A message was received by your partner that now there's a flavor of love they're not getting and they're hurting inside. And now they, in turn, because they're a human being too, despite what you think in that moment, right? They're an alien. They're so different to me. And so now they're not getting a flavor of love that's important for them, and they're hurting. And so now, of course, they're going to react and protest, right? So they're the four things. You're both hurting, there's two, and you're both reacting and protesting. That's 2 + 2.
Yes.
And so let's do the relationship between those four. So just picture an infinity loop. Mm-hmm. The bottom left quadrant now of your infinity loop that's your little hurting one inside that's not getting a flavor of love and it hurts. So you jump up to the top left quadrant of the infinity loop. By God, I'll be reacting and protesting not getting loved in the particular way you do. You do you.
Right.
Because you do you all the time, right? All of us, right? So you do your little protest reactivity thing, right? And of course, that protest reactivity thing, because you're your partner's person, the bottom right quadrant of the infinity loop, they smell it. They smell danger, right? They can sniff it out a mile away. And they now know, like, I'm now not getting a flavor of love I long for, or I'm on my way to not getting it. Now they're hurting because they're not getting a flavor. And now they jump up to the top right quadrant of the infinity loop by doing their reaction or protest. Right? Whether they're a name call or blame or shut her down or criticize, whatever they do, which now confirms for you, me, right? And my bottom left quadrant, I was right. I'm really not getting the love I needed. I'm hurting even more. So I have every reason, logical reason, the world has given me such clear feedback. I need to protest and react even more. So you jump to your top left quadrant, which of course hurts your partner in their bottom right quadrant of the infinity loop. And we go on and on and on and on and on and on.
Now we're in a cycle.
How do we know we're in the cycle? Here's what I say the most important thing. If you have awareness of one of those four things, I'm not getting loved, I'm hurting, or I'm in reactivity, right? Or the other person is hurting, they're not feeling loved, or they're in reactivity, that might be easier for you to see first, right? Well, the other person is acting badly, right? That's usually the easiest thing to see. But here's the thing, if you see one of them, and I'm going to ask you to trust me on this, like just put it to the test. Trust me enough to put it to the test. If one of the four things are present, all four things are present.
Yeah.
If one of you is hurting, the other person is hurting, and they're reactive and you're reactive. All four things are always present all at the same time. So the number one way to know you're in a cycle, like a little hack, is always assume if you see your partner negatively, they see you negatively. And if you're seeing them negatively, you're hurting inside and they're hurting inside too.
Mm-hmm, exactly.
Always.